This is the CLSU multi-purpose center where applicator research and technology product or simply just a Kumar. Now, we shall go on inside the Kumar.
Fold the napkin diagonally in half. Fold the bottom corner up towards the center. Flip the napkin over so the open edge is facing away from you. Fold the napkin in half, taking the bottom point of the diamond on the top. Lift the middle up, wrist bringing the two corners of the triangle together. Fold the napkin in half diagonally. Fold the long side up just about an inch. Press it fold down well or it will interfere with the next step. Flip the napkin over. Starting at either end, tightly roll the napkin into a cylinder. Take care to roll it straight so it will stand solidly. Tuck the end of the roll into the base on the back side and stand it up. A dinner napkin in half diagonally both ways. Pressing to crease, press all folds as you go. Open the napkin and then fold or four corners to the center, creating a square. Then flip the napkin over and fold all corners to meet at the center. With finger pressing down on the corner of napkin, reach underneath and pull up the flap at each corner to create the lotus petals. Fold the napkin in half. Then fold the napkin into quarters and place a diamond shape in front of you. Make sure you have all the open flaps facing towards you. Fold the first flap up to meet and the very top of the diamond. Now do the same with the next flap with an each lower. Flip the entire napkin over. Fold the hand side just over halfway, 2/3. Then flip the napkin back to reveal your diamond napkin fold. Just like the candle, fold the napkin in half diagonally. Then roll the napkin 1 inch, repeating it over and over, leaving a small triangle on the top. Then flip the napkin over and roll up the tail edge. At the end, it should look like a candle napkin fold. Then shape the 2 inside flaps and turn the napkin over. Lay napkin flat. Fold in half lengthwise. Starting at the bottom of the napkin, make a series of long, narrow accordion-style folds. First, folding the napkin under about 2 inches, then up to 2 inches, then under. Turn the napkin over so the folds are now underneath. Once again, fold the napkin in half. Take the top corner of the right napkin and fold it down towards the accordion section, creating a simple triangle. Gently splay the accordion folds to create a fan shape using the triangle, which acts as a kind of kickstand to prop the fan up.